Hello everyone, welcome back to the Pastry Warden. My name is Chef Andre Ward, and today's food vlog is on how to make my red velvet cake cheesecake. If this is your first time to my channel and you want to learn how to make all my delicious desserts, get my latest recipes, and talk about any food related topics, click the subscribe button and the bell notification icon below so you won't miss out on anything. Let's dive into the dessert. Let's start with the cheesecake. In a blender with the paddle attachment, we're going to mix together the sugar and the cream cheese until completely smooth. Once that is done, we're going to stop the mixer and we're going to scrape down the sides of the bowl, and then we're going to add our cornstarch, our lemon zest, and the vanilla, and mix again until completely smooth. A tip on how to get the half an egg out of this recipe: crack one egg into a bowl, blend it together, and measure out half. Next, add the eggs a few at a time, blending thoroughly after each addition. Scrape down the sides of the bowl, incorporate the sour cream, and reserve in the refrigerator until ready to use. Alright, time to make that moist, delicious red velvet cake. The first thing we're going to do is sift together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Once we're done with that, we're going to set it aside until ready to use. In a large bowl, combine the sugar and vegetable oil and mix thoroughly. Mix in the eggs, buttermilk, vanilla, and red food coloring until combined. Stir in the coffee and white vinegar. Combine the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients a little at a time, mixing after each addition just until combined. If the mixture does not resemble the color you want, you can simply add as much red food coloring as you desire. Next, make a cartouche by folding a piece of parchment long ways, then folding in half. Starting from the closed corner, fold into a cone-like shape. Measure the tip from the center of the pan, tear, and place in the bottom of the pan. Pour in the cheesecake batter to completely cover the bottom of the pan. Pour in a little of the red velvet cake batter in several spots on top of the cheesecake batter. Continue interchanging both batters until the pan is filled 1/2 inch from the top. If you want a layered effect, just bake as is. Or if you want to swirl, gently swirl the batter with a butter knife. Bake in the oven at 350 degrees until just set. Take the rest of the red velvet cake batter and pour it in a pan and bake at 350 degrees as well. This will be your crumb coating for the sides. Once the cake is completely cooled, pulse inside of a food processor to coarse crumbles. Next, roast walnuts in the oven. Place in the food processor and pulse to coarse crumbles as well. This will be used for your crumb topping. Remove the cheesecake from the oven, check for doneness, and completely cool. For the cream cheese frosting, beat the softened cream cheese and butter together in a mixing bowl. Gradually add the powdered sugar, mixing until all the sugar is incorporated. Mix in the vanilla until completely combined. Reserve the icing for assembly. Right here, I decided to add some lemon zest to add a little bit of acidity and also brighten up the flavor a little bit. Once the cheesecakes are completely cooled, we're going to add the cream cheese frosting on top and around the sides. The cream cheese topping does not have to be perfect. Again, it is just to adhere to the crumbs on the top and also around the sides. Pile as many crumbs as you want on top and around the sides. It's totally up to you. Be creative, have fun with it. It's all about the taste at the end. Take a cheesecake, place it on the pan, and place it in the refrigerator until ready to use. We're going to do a decorative border with the cream cheese frosting using a star tip. Pull the cheesecake out of the refrigerator and decorate a decorative border around the edges. Have fun with it, because at the end of the day, it's all about the taste. And we're going to slice right into this right now and enjoy what we have made. Delicious red velvet cake cheesecake. Okay, everybody, this is the final dessert. Red velvet cake is a well-known dessert for the Christmas holiday season. Today, I wanted to do a spin on it with cheesecake. I'm really excited to taste this, and I'm sure you will also when you make it. If you like my video and the content I provide, please subscribe, like, and share. If you have any requests for future videos that you would love to see on my channel, please comment below. Thank you for tuning in. This is the Pastry Warden, signing out.